And the race is on. Diamond Duchess from the outside rushing up security check. Queen's Quest. Down on the inside is Engedi. Moving up is entry number 3, Sir Barbaro Lavi. Down on the inside. Diamond Duchess by some two-length security check in second. Sir Barbaro is running by Daryl Labi and Gedi racing in peep alongside Queen's Quest, Sugar Free and Dragon King passing the half-mile post. Diamond Duchess by some two-length security check and Gedi on the outside. Sir Barbaro running by Daryl, Queen's Quest, Sugar Free and Labi. Rounding the far turn, Diamond Duchess, security check and Gedi. Queen's Quest is racing on the outside. Sugar Free by Darrell is Sir Barbaro. As they race the final corner, Diamond Duchess is leading by some 3 lengths and getting second. Queen's Quest alongside. Sugar Free by Darrell is Sir Barbaro. Entering the finish line, Diamond Duchess by some 2 lengths and getting second. Entering the finish line from start to finish, Diamond Duchess. And getting Queen's Quest, Sugar Free, security check, Sir Barbaro, Labi, and Dragon King.